What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can edit a TikTok video after posting it. So for those people who do not know, there's no way you can edit anything of your post once you post it in TikTok. Whichever thing you post in TikTok, it's a final product. So if you try to think you can change like your, post, like let's say you added an effect and you didn't want to add it, but you can change the effect even after posting your video. If you want to change like the, caption of your post, do you think you can change it after uploading? No. Once your post is uploaded, it's the final stuff. You can't do anything. Just like in YouTube, if you think you can change the thumbnail, you can change the description, you can't in TikTok. I don't know why, but this is the feature they added. So once you upload something, you can't change anything, but there is a way to change it, and I'm going to be showing you how we guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Let's get into the video without any further ado. First thing, you want to check the video which you want to change. So let's say I want to add like a caption in this video, but I can't. What I need to do is click on this three line, click on versus save video. Now once this video is saved, so it's currently saving this video, so wait for it. Once it's saved, click on this three dot. Click on the three dot, scroll to the side, click on delete, and wait for some time until this comes up. Once it comes up, click on delete. Your post will be deleted. Once the post is deleted, click on plus icon, click on upload, and it's going to show you the video which you just downloaded from TikTok. Click on it, click on next, click on next. Over here I wanted to change caption, so I'm going to add a new caption, KKKKK. So after adding this, once I click on post, this video will be posted with a new caption. So it's not like I'm editing the post which I just posted, but this is the only way you can kind of edit it right now. All right, so hope you guys understand on how you guys can edit a TikTok video after posting it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.